What's up, what's down, what's all around? Hello guys, welcome back to another Convlog. Jamie Oliver cooking. Today we're going to be making some sausage rolls. First of all, get your favorite chopping board. Set it down onto the table. You're going to want yourself a bowl and a knife. Very simple utensils. The other one you're going to want is a baking tray. And you know, you probably want an oven for this. I wouldn't recommend cooking this anywhere else. So, to start out with, we're going to be cutting an onion. Alright, so we got our onion. First of all, you want to do this. Boom. Take that off. Fuck it up, okay? Put it down like this. Slice down the middle. Now what you want to do, peel off this outer shell. Alright. So, got onion. What you want to do, grab your knife away from the thing here. You want to cut, slice, boom. Okay, now you're going to want to run your knife at a sideways angle like this down here. You want to put it sideways, boom, 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 boom. What more do I need to say? Take your bowl, bring the chopping board to the edge of the table. Boom. Again, boom, 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 boom. Get out of your way. Boom. These onions, they're making me quite emotional. They're quite strong. You know, you gotta soldier on. Soldier boy never stopped, and neither should you. Now, into the bowl with that. Now, after you had your breakdowns about cutting the onions, you want to get yourself a capsicum. That's going to be our next ingredient. Alright, grab your capsicum. See the head here? You want to fuck that off, okay? Now, see this little stumpy part? Just rip the capsicum apart. Just like it's no one's business. Get it out of here. Like I said, get your anger out on the ingredients. It will make it taste better. Now, pull out this stuff. Ooh, got a little present here. Jamie, you sneaky dog, what are you doing in there? You want to take your capsicum, cut it in half. Cut it in half again, and again. Slice, 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 slice. See? Very wafer thin, wafer thin. Now, you want to take them, pinch. See this? Nice and thin, nice and thin. Now once, you know, they're not all going to be even. You can't have even across the whole capsicum. That's just life. What are you going to do? In life, you can't always get exact measurement. Sharply cut it. Just bring it together. That's looking good. We're going to bring the board back to the side of the table, and we're just going to scoop it into our bowl. Beef. You can use whatever beef you want, but I like to use this. Comes in a little tube thing. We're just going to put this down, slice it in half. Easiest way, then you're just gonna squeeze this shit into your bowl. Just like that. You're gonna make sounds, otherwise it doesn't count. Second part. Jamie, what are you doing? He has no hygiene, I tell you what. Now, breadcrumbs is your next ingredient. Now, there's no exact measurement, you're just gonna wanna eyeball this. Yeah, looks good. Now, get yourself some free-range eggs. This is laid by Jamie himself. Open up, get yourself an egg. Now, there's a couple different ways about cracking an egg. You can go like this, you can go like this. I like this one. Boom. Now, get your salt. Yeah, that's good. You can really just eyeball this. You don't have to put a lot of effort into it. Just boom, boom, boom. Cajun, I like to use a little bit of that. Now, here's the fun part. You're gonna get nice and stodgy. Get in close here. You just wanna go straight into it. Bring it together. Bring it together. It's just like kneading a piece of dough. Oh. Boom, boom, boom. We cleared the table. As you can see, we got mince, puff pastry, and an egg and some utensils. Let's talk puff pastry. Now, you want free-range organic. I got these off of a local farm. Grew up nice and safe. nice and well protected. You know, no pesticides, no herbicides, no carnivores, and quite frankly, I think it's just beautiful. You're gonna want 3 puff pastry sheets. You want to cut them in half like so. Boom. Doesn't matter if they're not perfect. Life's not perfect. Find myself a little brush. Got a brush, give it a quick wash. You know, as we said before, life isn't perfect. Now, you want to grab this, just kind of make it into like a cylinder. It doesn't have to be perfect again, just any which way you want to do it. Lay it in the middle. Look at that, beautiful. Alright, that's looking good. Wash the hands again, put the water. Get a little bit of soap on you. You're ready for some pastry origami. Now you want to separate it from the plastic. Fold it over like so. Like that. Boom, boom, boom. Rotate, bish, bash, bosh. Alright, now. Get your tray. Get yourself some baking paper. Cover your tray. Doesn't matter if it doesn't fit perfectly because none of us do. That's the bite size. Just boom, boom, boom. Now, if you're feeling really fancy, get yourself some scissors. Let the steam get out, and it also looks a bit fancy. Boom, 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 boom. Get your brush. Just, oh, look at that. You're gonna want to put these in the oven, 180 for about 20 minutes. Rotate them halfway through until they're golden brown, really. So, we'll see you then. One back, everyone. Sausage rolls are done. Jamie, the cheeky bugger, stole one of them. Crank these bad boys up. Now these ones, the cooking's a bit uneven, but like I said, what you can do. What more can I say? Jamie Oliver, eat your heart out. But don't forget, like, favorite, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, donate to our Patreon. We got a Kickstarter going, get us to 10,000 subscribers.